There's going to be a 1 week of lockdown again in Bengaluru and in Bengaluru rural from the 14th of July till the 22nd of July. Let's go across to Maya Sharma for more on this. Maya, I'm guessing obviously that this is in the backdrop of rising cases, but why has the government been pushed to take this decision? Because as of now, we've seen in Bangalore, they've been having a lockdown on Sundays. The government has been claiming things are under control, even though we've been reporting horrific cases of ambulances not reaching in time, bodies lying on the roads. It seemed like infrastructure was not being able to keep pace with the rising number of cases.
Well, there have been strong denials from the Karnataka government about reimposition of lockdown until as recently as just a couple of days ago. But the numbers continue to rise, continue to surge, and Bengaluru accounting for well over half of all the new cases in Karnataka. In fact, the figures which have just come out this evening show that Karnataka has 2,798 new cases, taking the total to over 36,000. And of that, Bengaluru has 1,533 new cases in the last 24-hour span, which means that the state has crossed 16,000. It's 16,862. It is almost at 17,000. And the number of people who have died in the city so far, 229. And yes, ambulances have been struggling to cope. We've had people waiting for hours for ambulances. Hospital beds, although it is centralized now, it's still an issue with patients going from hospital to hospital looking for a bed, and testing as well. Tests have been increased now. We've got the new tests also coming in this weekend, and the state government hoping to increase the testing from 6,000 to around 10,000 a day. But test results have also slowed down a lot. What used to take a day to come is now taking 4 days, 5 days for the results to come. So the 1 week lockdown, presumably to try and help the system catch up a little bit. The chief minister tweeting, considering the suggestion from experts to curb the increasing number of COVID cases, the government has decided to implement this lockdown in Bengaluru urban and rural areas from Tuesday evening, 8 p.m. until the following 22nd morning, 5 a.m. But he does also say, the chief minister does also remind people that all essential services, whether it's milk, vegetables, fruits, medicines and groceries, will continue uninterrupted. That is, of course, the case. We've already started the weekly Sunday lockdown. The curfew in Bengaluru kicks in at 8 p.m. and from 8 p.m. now, this evening, until 5 a.m. on Monday, we're already in the regular Sunday curfew. So it'll just be Monday before curfew comes in again on Tuesday evening for one full week, a complete lockdown.